Automating home chores with smart devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Automating home chores with smart devices. Imagine a home that takes care of the little things for you, like cleaning, managing your energy use, and even reminding you to water the plants. Sounds like the future, right? Well, the future is now, and it's all about smart tech. From robotic vacuums to smart refrigerators, there's an endless list of gadgets that can handle tasks you might be doing manually right now. Let's break down some of the most popular smart devices and how they can help you automate your home chores. Smart vacuum cleaners. First up, let's talk about one of the most popular home automation devices, the robot vacuum. These nifty gadgets do the vacuuming for you. All you have to do is set them up, and they'll automatically clean your floors. No effort required. Most robot vacuums can be controlled with an app or voice commands, and some even have advanced sensors to avoid obstacles and map out your home for more efficient cleaning. Plus, you can schedule them to clean when you're not home, meaning you'll always come back to a spotless floor. Smart thermostats. Next up is something that doesn't seem like a chore, but it can save you a lot of time and money: the smart thermostat. With a smart thermostat, you can automate your home's temperature based on your preferences, time of day, or even when you're away. These thermostats learn your schedule and automatically adjust the heating or cooling in your home to keep things comfortable while saving energy. That means no more adjusting the temperature every time you walk into the room. Smart kitchen appliances. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. The smart fridge and oven are taking over in the most amazing ways. Have you ever left the house and wondered if you turned off the oven? With a smart oven, you can check and control it remotely through an app. And the smart fridge goes above and beyond. It can track the contents of your fridge, tell you what you're running low on, and even suggest recipes based on what you have. It's like having a personal assistant right in your kitchen. Smart lighting and smart plugs. Let's not forget about lighting. Smart lights are an awesome way to save time and energy. You can automate your lights to turn on and off at specific times or control them with your voice or smartphone. Whether you want to set the mood for movie night or create a bright, welcoming environment when you walk in the door, smart lights are an easy way to enhance your space without lifting a finger. And if you've got appliances or devices that aren't smart yet, no worries. You can use smart plugs to control them. Simply plug in your devices, and you can turn them on or off with your voice or through an app. Smart irrigation systems. For the green thumbs out there, this one's for you. Smart irrigation systems take the guesswork out of watering your plants. With weather sensors and soil moisture technology, these systems can adjust watering schedules to make sure your plants get the right amount of water. Not only does this save you time, but it also helps conserve water by ensuring you're not overwatering or wasting it. All right, so as you can see, there are tons of smart devices out there that can help automate your home and make life a little bit easier. The best part? You don't need to be tech savvy to use them. Most of these devices integrate seamlessly into your daily routine, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So, which smart device are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. See you in the next video.